Or ice cream. A production line for pumping pickled cucumber brine. Wow, just putting it on makes you want to grab one and eat it right away. Looks delicious. Automatic tempura chicken nuggets production line. Processing and peeling over 100,000 tons of potatoes annually. Meat and poultry processors are increasingly turning to automation due to the high speed, labor shortages, supply chain issues, and stricter food safety regulations. This is one of the most modern automatic sesame oil production chains in Korea. We will introduce to you the production process of the hot national snack home. Run ball. What does it taste like when imported straight from the factory? Have you ever wondered how Herbalin gummies are made? Please leave comment number 6. Here is the most modern modular packing machine for chocolate. It is specifically developed to pack delicate chocolate products and achieves a capacity of up to 1,800 products per minute. It can easily switch between 7 packaging styles such as double twist, protective twist, twist top, twist side, silver foil wrap, fold wrap, and Vienna fruit fold. Ovotex RX 6-egg breaking machine can break up to 39,000 eggs per hour and allows users to separate yolks from whites at the same time. The separator strip can be removed if not needed after completing the job. This excellent automatic labeling and capping machine will help companies save a lot. Of manpower. Of vegetable choices, fresh vegetable trays and bags are truly a great choice for those who want to maintain a healthy lifestyle and quickly enjoy the natural flavors of vegetables, fresh. Looking at the beautiful, small, shiny yellow ginger roots gently floating on the surface of the transparent water gives you a feeling of peace and relaxation. The shiny brown skin of the ginger creates an attractive contrast with the transparent water, creating an attractive and appealing image. The scent of ginger spreads in the space, taking us into a world of delicate and fresh flavors. The clear water is where the ginger mixes together, creating a moist and cool environment, keeping the ginger always fresh and full of vitality. Looking at this scene, you not only feel the freshness and delicate flavor of, but also immerse yourself in the natural beauty and tranquility. Let's look at potato peelers, simple but extremely effective tools in the food preparation process. With sharp blades and sturdy designs, they are great assistants for any chef. When the tool is placed on a potato, the sharp blade will gently penetrate deep into the skin, peeling off the outer layer easily and quickly. These powerful and precise cuts not only remove the potato skin but also preserve the smooth flesh inside. Whether you are a professional or an amateur chef, everyone can use these tools easily and conveniently. They are a prerequisite for starting a delicious dish and ensure that your potatoes will be perfectly prepared. Accuracy and uniformity in beef slicing not only improve product quality, but also optimize the production process. The 1 mm thinness not only creates an attractive shape for the beef, but also helps it quickly absorb spices and cook evenly. Designed with advanced technology, the MHSPCE 20 to 21 km machine is capable of processing large amounts of meat per hour, helping to increase production productivity. At the same time, the automatic and precise adjustment of the thickness of meat slices helps ensure uniformity and high quality of the final product. With a versatile and flexible design, this machine is capable of spraying meat onto product surfaces accurately and evenly. This helps create meat products with beautiful flavors and colors that appeal to consumers. Stuffing machines are often designed to operate automatically or semi-automatically, helping to increase productivity and reduce dependence on manual labor. They are often adjusted to regulate the amount of filling or food mixture stuffed into the final product, ensuring uniformity and quality during production. You want to cut thin, even and beautiful slices of cold meat, but are facing many difficulties. This machine will be your savior with its sharp blade that allows adjusting the thickness of the cutting layers according to the specific requirements of the final product.